ever feel like you have nothing to wear, even when your closet looks like this? We do too! Oftentimes, we forget what clothes we have or simply end up wearing the same few pieces. So we decided to try out closet organization apps. Closet organization apps basically allows us to create a virtual wardrobe that helps us categorize, organize, and plan our clothes. And with everything digitalized, we can see our entire wardrobe with just a swipe. However, with so many apps offering the same services, which one should we use? So today, we'll be reviewing 3 of such apps: Pureple, Cladwell, and Closet Plus. For each app, we'll be discussing our favorite features and how it has helped us maintain an organized wardrobe. Watch till the end to find out which one is our favorite. First, let's start with Pureple. We love how Pureple offers an extensive in-app catalog to choose from. It makes things so much easier for us when setting up our virtual closet. For clothes that we couldn't find, we took a picture and uploaded them onto the database. Here's something that we've learned. Take pictures of your clothes against a plain wall so that it's easier to style them. Another feature that we enjoyed is their outfit planner. The app has an inbuilt calendar that allows us to plan and log future outfits. With outfits already planned out, it's so much easier to get ready. Pureple also gave us an insight to our clothing preferences. So, for example, we found out our most and least worn clothes. With this information, it made the decluttering process super easy. We could quickly throw out clothes that we rarely wore based on the categories. The next app we'll be reviewing is Cladwell. In our opinion, Cladwell definitely stands out with their outfit suggestions. They really help us fully utilize our clothes. Cladwell also offers daily outfits based on the weather. And paired with their styling tips, we found out new ways to switch up an outfit. After using the app for 10 days, Cladwell shared with us some details about our preferences. And now that we have a better understanding of our personal style, we're able to make smarter shopping choices in the future. Which brings us to our favorite feature of the app, their shopping suggestions. Cladwell recommended us some clothes to consider buying and gave us ideas on how to style it with the clothes that we already owned. Lastly, we'll be looking at Closet Plus. One of the features we enjoyed was how we could create outfits and save them under various categories. Whenever we needed an outfit for a specific occasion, we could just refer to it. This made dressing up a breeze. And similar to Pureple, Closet Plus also allowed us to pre-plan outfits, which we appreciated. As we said earlier, the calendar feature makes getting ready easier and less hectic. And our final favorite feature is their in-app packing list. When packing for the holidays or staycation, this feature comes in handy as we could plan and put together enough outfits to last us the entire trip. To sum up, these are our favorite features from Pureple, Cladwell, and Closet Plus. After trying out these apps for a week, our personal favorite is Cladwell. As a first-time user, we felt that Cladwell was easy to pick up and it really helped us maintain an organized wardrobe. So, which of these apps will you be trying out? Let us know in the comments below.